10 Best Job Board Premium WordPress Themes in 2024. In today's competitive job market, creating a standout website is crucial for connecting job seekers with potential employers. Whether you're a recruitment agency, a company looking to hire, or an entrepreneur aiming to build a niche job board, having a professional and functional website is essential. With its vast array of themes and plugins, WordPress offers an excellent platform to build such websites. In 2024, the options for job board premium WordPress themes have never been better, with designs that are visually appealing and packed with features to enhance user experience and streamline the job posting and application process. Here, we've curated a list of the 10 best job board premium WordPress themes to help you create a powerful and engaging job board site that stands out from the crowd. Number 1. Jobify presents a contemporary flat design aesthetic in its WordPress theme tailored for job boards. With a quick 5-minute installation process, you can have your website operational in no time. The theme offers extensive customization options, including unlimited color choices, font variations, and other settings to personalize your website according to your preferences. Among the themes listed, Jobify stands out as my top choice due to its popularity among 15,000 users, which serves as a testament to its quality and appeal in the realm of job board websites. Number 2. WorkScout proves to be an exceptional WordPress theme designed specifically for job board websites. Its unparalleled user-friendliness caters to the needs of any employment agency recruiter, making it a top choice in the market. The WP Bakery Page Builder plugin simplifies the process of constructing pages with its intuitive drag and drop technology. This feature allows users to create a website quickly and efficiently without the need for extensive coding knowledge. For those new to the platform, an online documentation source is readily available to provide detailed explanations of every feature. This resource serves as a helpful guide through the setup process, ensuring a smooth experience for all users. Additionally, the Resume Manager tool streamlines the registration and resume upload process, enhancing the overall functionality of the theme. Number 3. JobCareer offers an exceptional solution for webmasters aiming to establish a contemporary and efficient job board website. With a range of useful plugins and professionally designed template pages and websites, the initial process of creating, designing, and setting up a website becomes effortless and straightforward. The user-friendly interface allows for easy customization through a drag-and-drop system. One of the standout features of JobCareer is its versatility. It provides various functionalities such as geolocated job searches, job and email alerts, and application deadlines, allowing for a flexible and extensive reach. Additionally, the theme includes free job submissions and a fully operational WooCommerce payment system, ensuring a seamless experience for both job seekers and employers. Furthermore, JobCareer seamlessly integrates with social apps through exclusive buttons and icons, enhancing the overall user experience. The application tracking capabilities enable users to monitor their job offers and bids effectively. If you are looking to build a job board website, JobCareer is the ideal choice to get started today. Number 4. Recruitment Agency presents itself as a versatile and efficient WordPress theme that is designed to cater to the needs of both businesses and individuals seeking to showcase their profiles. By being built on Bootstrap, it ensures a responsive and fast-loading experience for users, enhancing accessibility and user experience. This theme seamlessly combines the functionalities of a directory and an application system, allowing for easy navigation and organization of listings based on specific hiring or application requirements. With the ability to upload various files such as CVs, resumes, and support documents in different formats, Recruitment Agency offers a comprehensive platform for users to showcase their credentials. Moreover, Recruitment Agency boasts unlimited portfolios and blog layouts, providing users with ample customization options to tailor their profiles according to their preferences. What sets this theme apart is its developer-friendly nature, eliminating the need for coding knowledge to configure and set up. By incorporating features like Essential Grid, maps for job locations, and Slider Revolution, Recruitment Agency offers a dynamic and versatile platform with endless possibilities for users. Number 5. Karriera possesses extensive knowledge and expertise in the realm of job boards, statistics, and listings. With the ability to effortlessly integrate 12 different homepages and a one-click demo import feature, Karriera provides a seamless user experience. The theme is further enhanced by the inclusion of premium quality plugins, including the highly acclaimed WP Bakery Builder, allowing for easy customization. In addition, Karriera caters to a wide range of work-related scenarios, making it suitable for various work environments. It incorporates WooCommerce for convenient purchasing options and WPML for seamless translation capabilities, ensuring accessibility for users across different languages. Karriera serves as an ideal platform for both companies and individuals seeking employment opportunities. It offers an array of job search filters and allows for CV submissions, streamlining the recruitment process. The integration of Contact Form 7 enables the creation of customized forms, while the availability of a child theme ensures flexibility and adaptability. Elevate your job search or employer recruitment experience with Karriera, providing an optimal environment for connecting job seekers and employers alike. Number 6. Synjord is a specialized WordPress theme designed for the professional and career sectors. It boasts fast loading times and is optimized for search engines, thanks to the expertise of InWave Themes in performance optimization. The theme includes a variety of customizable elements within its builder, video backgrounds, 7+ homepage layouts, and parallax effects to enhance the user experience. Additionally, users have access to WP Bakery Page Builder, unlimited sidebars, web font icons, and Slider Revolution for creating dynamic slideshows. Synjord provides unique features such as front-end admin reviews and email notifications, as well as employer management tools for applications. With a user-friendly panel dashboard interface catering to both companies and individual professionals, Synjord also integrates seamlessly with social media platforms and offers social network login capabilities. This theme is a practical solution aimed at improving employment opportunities for users. Number 7. JobMonster administrators of the website have the option to carefully examine each job listing before it is published on JobMonster. This ensures that only high-quality and relevant job postings are displayed on the site, maintaining its credibility and usefulness for both job seekers and employers. The theme of JobMonster is not only visually appealing but also highly functional, striking a perfect balance between aesthetics and practicality. Its design is crafted to provide users with a seamless and enjoyable experience while navigating through the site, making it easier for them to find and apply for jobs. For those interested in delving deeper into the features of JobMonster, there is comprehensive documentation available for reference. Additionally, the dedicated support team is readily available to address any queries or concerns that users may have, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience for all customers. Number 8. Naukri stands out as a top choice among WordPress job board themes due to its impressive features and functionalities. It boasts of being responsive, flexible, extendable, and user-friendly, making it a popular option for those looking to create a job board website. Additionally, Naukri stays up to date with the latest trends and regulations, ensuring that users have access to cutting-edge tools and technologies. By utilizing Naukri's pre-designed demos, users can quickly get started on building their job board website. The theme offers a range of benefits that can help streamline the process and enhance the overall user experience. From fantastic job filters to the ability to sell different job packages, Naukri provides a comprehensive solution for those looking to create a professional and efficient job board platform. Number 9. Workup Job Board WordPress Theme. Crafting a perfect job board website doesn't have to be a complex task. Thanks to Workup, you can bypass the need to start from scratch, even if you have no coding or design skills. With Workup, anyone can become a pro at building their first website using the user-friendly Elementor editor. This powerful tool empowers users to create stunning websites without any technical expertise. Workup offers a comprehensive package that includes a range of features such as featured jobs, CV and cover letter support, job alerts, paid and free listings, and a convenient dashboard for both employers and employees. This all-in-one solution ensures that all your job board needs are met in one place. In addition to these features, Workup also provides shortcodes for easy integration, search engine optimization to boost your website's visibility, smooth page transitions for a seamless user experience, and even an option to apply for jobs using Facebook. These additional perks make Workup a truly exceptional choice for creating your ideal job board website. Number 10. Careerfy Job Board WordPress Theme. Careerfy offers you the opportunity to create a personalized job board website, enabling seamless connections between employers and employees. With a range of different demos to choose from, as well as pre-made elements, you can quickly and efficiently build your job board platform. By utilizing Careerfy's tools and solutions, you have the ability to make a significant impact within your community. With everything you need at your fingertips, you can establish a valuable online platform that serves as a hub for job seekers and employers alike. Careerfy provides an array of impressive features, including detailed job listings, dedicated candidate and employer pages, WooCommerce subscriptions, and user-friendly filtering options. Additionally, you can benefit from job alerts, a convenient geolocation search function, the ability to submit job applications, a resume builder, and the option to import third-party job listings. With Careerfy, you have access to a wide range of resources that will enhance your job board website and ensure its success. If you want to buy this job board premium WordPress theme, click on the link in the video description on YouTube and buy it.